In this video, I'll show you how you can get buy and sell indicators on TradingView. Now keep in mind, these indicators are not working 100%, so just because it says buy doesn't mean you should buy. Now the indicators are just used as a way of help to help you locate and see the chart more better. So keep in mind that if they worked like 100% of the time, of course people would never sell them, and of course people would never show them to anyone because it would like just be a money glitch. So just keep that in mind before you use them. But if you really want to do it, head over to indicators, go to community, and then just search for buy, sell, indicator. Now in here, you'll be able to see many community made ones, and you can just select one of them. So let's say you want to choose this one. It will now add your buy and sell indicator. So this would mean you should sell here, and this would mean that you should buy here. But keep in mind, like I said at the beginning, that of course it's not gonna be a secure way of getting money. So just make sure that you know this. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.